Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find privacy policy on CapCut mobile. So guys, here I have already opened my CapCut application on my phone, and if you want to find the privacy policy on CapCut, you can tap on this button. I don't know what it's called, but you just have to tap on this button. Then there will be several options for you, and you're going to click on privacy policy right here. And then just wait for a moment. Okay, and this is my CapCut privacy policy, and you can scroll down to read more policy. Okay, this is the privacy policy in my language, and you can keep scrolling like this. And alright guys, that's how we can find privacy policy on CapCut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.